Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I am so excited to finally be sharing with you my current favorite affordable makeup tools. So this is a video that I have been meaning to film for a while. It's something that I've been really wanting to film, but I actually just got the opportunity to partner with one of the brands of the products that I'm about to show you on this video. So thank you to Trendbox for partnering and sponsoring this video. They did send me for free the product that I'm about to show you. So let me just jump right into it. So what I have here is a fan. So I don't even know if I've ever even seen another like beauty YouTuber or anyone do this as part of their makeup routine, but this is something that I do every single day after I put on my setting spray. Is I fan myself to dry the setting spray. And look at this beautiful fan. Like, first off, you can tell it's huge. So literally this is what I do. I spray my setting spray and every single morning I just go like this for a few seconds and it feels like a glamorous, luxurious, very extra moment for me, but I'm just literally like looking in my bathroom mirror, just like fanning myself like with the glow of the setting spray on my face, and I do it with the most beautiful fans. But that has been my technique of setting my makeup for like a few years, at least the past 6 months since I've moved into my house. Whenever I'm setting my setting spray, I use a fan. When I lived at my parents' house before I bought my own house, I had like a fan going in my bedroom where I would get ready every day. And I would literally like spray my face and then I would turn and like put my face up to the fan to dry it. But now I get ready in my bathroom and I don't have a fan blowing on my face. So this is what I use and it works great. Like, even if you just needed a beautiful fan as like an accessory, or if you're going somewhere hot and you're gonna wanna fan yourself, I would take this, like, and it's so beautiful. But so this, like I was saying, is from the brand Trendbox. It's available on Amazon in 4 beautiful styles, and it only cost $9.99. So this one here, I love it. It's the kaleidoscope style. And then they did send me all 4 styles, which I'm so thankful for. So I'll show you the other ones. This beautiful one. This one is a wolf. Like, the graphics on these are so pretty, so unique. I had never seen fans like these before, and they're like a nice silky material, very great quality. This is the dragon version. So pretty. And then the skull version, which James is like, I like that one. That one's cool. I think my personal favorite is the kaleidoscope, but I love them all. I'll use all of them. And I would be really curious to know if anyone else uses a fan to dry their setting spray as part of their makeup routine. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. But I love it. If you don't do that, there's a little tip for you. But so some other products that I'm going to show you, I'm sure are not going to be a surprise because I talk about them a lot. I've done some dedicated review videos on some of these, but so I'm going to talk about some of my favorite makeup sponges. And I get questions about makeup sponges sometimes, and let me tell you, I have tried out a lot of makeup sponges, so I am picky. But I have found 3 really awesome, inexpensive makeup sponges that I think are beauty blender dupes that do a perfect job at blending out my makeup. So the first one I have here is the AOA Wonder Blender. I love the regular Wonder Blender. I love the AOA Mochi Wonder Blender. So good. They're about $1 each. And I will link in the description down below my full dedicated review video on the AOA Studio Wonder Blenders. They're from Shop Miss A. And then I also, this one is dampened and big because this is the one I'm currently using right now. It's from LA Colors. So good, such great quality, so easy to clean. And then this other one here that I absolutely love is from the brand InStylish, and it's such great quality. I got it in a 2-pack, so I have a dedicated review video on this as well, which I will have linked in the description. So these 3 makeup sponges are perfect. I don't think you need to spend any more money on a makeup sponge than just getting one of these, which is so inexpensive. I tend to stock up when I place a Shop Miss A order because I just love them that much. Oh, and I don't even know if you noticed, but the fans come in these really pretty mesh bags, so a little kind of like travel-friendly case here. And I will have these linked in the description down below to where you can purchase them on Amazon. And then another product that I think is just so cool is this brush cleaner that I got at the Dollar Tree. I actually got a product just like this in a FabFitFun box, which is worth a lot more money than the $1 that I spent on this one, and they seem exactly the same. Here you can see it has this squishy foam, and you just take your makeup brush, rub it in, and it takes the color off, so then you can dip it back into an eyeshadow without any color transfer. So cool, this brush cleaner. So this is another one of my favorite affordable makeup tools. And then actually the brush that I was just using, I'll talk about while it's in my hand. This is a brush that I'm sure you have seen in so many of my eyeshadow makeup videos. I love these. These are from the brand Wet n Wild that I got at the Dollar Tree. So they're $1 each, and at this point, you can't even see like any logo or anything on them because that part has worn off, but that's the only thing that's worn out on these brushes, and I have been using them for years. These exact same brushes. I always clean them because I have this weird thing where I won't reuse a brush that's dirty. I have to clean it in between each use. But these have never shed. They stay so perfect, like soft. They don't get stained. So it's amazing to me how perfect quality these Wet n Wild brushes are. So you can see these are the ones with the pink tips. And every time I go into my Dollar Tree, they have a ton of these in bins. So I have really stocked up, but I love them. These are the first ones. Even though I stocked up to get all of the different brushes, like I haven't had to replace any of them, and it seriously has been years. So these are amazing. If you want good brushes, you should get these. I've heard a lot of people say that they really like these Wet n Wild brushes. And then this is like the unspoken hero, the silent MVP. This is my lash curler. It's from the brand Revlon, and I just bought this because it's cute. It's pink, and it has rhinestones on it. So I think I literally picked this up at Target like 5 years ago or something, just because I thought it was cute and I wanted a new lash curler, and I haven't changed it up since. Like, it is so great, works well, it lasts forever it seems like. So I highly recommend a lash curler, but you don't need to get an expensive one, and they make really cute ones. So I love this. And then the Face Silk makeup remover pads. So the only downside about this is that, as you can see, it does get stained, but I put it through the wash and it just kind of gets stained with like mascaras and foundations and lipsticks, but that doesn't prevent it from working. I am obsessed with these. Ever since I got these, this is what I use pretty much every single night to take my makeup off. All I do is wet them, take off my makeup, and then I do my skincare routine. So I'm skipping that face wash step. I'm not even using cleanser, but I feel like my face is so clean. I might get some people saying that the way I'm washing my face is not good enough, but I've been really happy with how my skin has been looking since I use these, and I don't reuse them. If I use it to clean off my makeup one night, the next night I will use the other side because they're double-sided, but then I'll put it in the wash. Like, I won't use it again because I don't want to reuse and like get any of that bacteria or anything like that on my face. But These are just so great. They're better for the environment, but they work like magic. If you haven't seen my review video on these, I will have that in the description down below as well. But so those are my current favorite, super affordable makeup tools. So I feel like I keep it pretty simple. Like I love a makeup remover. I love a simple eyelash curler, some brushes that you can just pick up at the dollar store. Same goes for these makeup sponges. I love a makeup sponge to do most of my application, and then if it's not a makeup sponge, it's gonna be one of these brushes. The brush cleaner to clean off a brush if I'm in between eyeshadow colors, and my beautiful fans. So I know that I had gotten questions on makeup sponges and my favorite affordable makeup products, so I hope that you enjoyed this video if you were curious about some of my favorites. And I would really love to know in the comments down below what your favorites are. I would definitely like to know your affordable makeup tools, but also let me know if you have any favorite, like, even if they're expensive, like your favorite makeup tools in general, because I could see that it might be worth spending more money on a makeup tool if it's really gonna make a difference in your application, if it's gonna last a long time. But all of this here is just kind of proof that you do not have to spend a lot of money on makeup tools, in my opinion, to get really great functioning, performing products. So all of these here, I definitely think you should try out if you have not already. And thank you so much for watching this video today. If you're not already aware, I try out a new makeup product every day on my YouTube channel. It goes up at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I think I just surpassed 750 days. So there's a lot of makeup on my channel. I'm pretty much makeup obsessed, and I'm obsessed with trying out new makeup products. So make sure you're subscribed so that you get to see all of those videos. And so I will see you tomorrow in my next video.